Uba Preston tensong habe krabikla batai khobor ulai thu menteri ki kampoye jak sarkar pedeng u Amit Shah ulai jingkerman ba Shen on sala bani Iapynbeit Noh upot usam hapreng ki Jylla jak than stay lamingi dang Shen uniu menteri ula batai barok ki Jylla jak than stay lamingi bani Iapynbeit Noh upot usam daklenti ke besong.
The statement made by the Honorable Union Home Minister is very, very welcoming, very, very encouraging, because quite a number of northeastern states, they do have this problem, boundary issue. So, and Meghalaya is one of them. And if I'm not mistaken, this is the first time ever the statement made by the Honorable Union Home Minister, who shows his concern about the interstate issues in the northeastern states. Therefore, the statement made by him, he requests that the respective state government sit down across the table, work it out, and he encouraged for a permanent solution on that. So we welcome that statement made by the Honorable Union Home Minister, and I'm sure we will, reach towards that, whatever he instructed or whatever message he sent to all the respective state government. But unfortunately, as you all know, this year, I think maybe in the month of April or May, general election in Assam will be held. So during election time, I think that is next to impossible. So let us see. Hopefully after the general election of Assam is over, when the new government comes in, we will certainly again start following up this issue, which is a very long pending till today.
Uba Preston uloong bakani ka penibo Amit Shah barka sarkar pedeng hi kidon ke jingshim khia halor kani ka benta.
I never heard any statement made by any Union Home Minister relating this particular issue. I think during my political career, this is the first time ever that the Honorable Union Home Minister in the NEC meeting, he did clearly mention about the interstate boundary disputes.